Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix a boot configuration data file is missing. Error in Windows 10. Friends, you have Windows 10 on your laptop. It was there yesterday, but now when you turn on your computer, you are greeted with error code this. The boot configuration data file is missing. The good news is that your data isn't lost and you can get it all back. We'll show you how. The bad news is that you'll have to do a little work to restore that missing file. Here is the how to fix a configuration data file boot error in Windows 10. First, you will need a DVD or USB stick containing Windows installation media. You can download a utility from Microsoft here that will create that for you. Next, follow these steps. So first step, insert your installation media into the computer. Second, boot to the media. We had to press F12 during boot up on the dial we fixed up to reach this menu. Though these keys can differ depending on your laptop's make and model. Third, click Next on the Windows Setup menu. Fourth, click Repair your computer. Fifth, choose Troubleshoot. 6. Select Advanced option. 7. Pick Command Prompt. Now type this text and press the Enter key. 9. Type this text and press the Enter key. Now type this text and press the Enter key. Now type this text and press the Enter key. And in the last, type A to add the installation to the boot list and hit Enter. Exit the command prompt with the X button on the top of the window. 14. Click Continue to go to your desktop. So friends, by this simple method, you can fix and you can solve boot configuration data file is missing error in Windows 10. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.